y'all, so I ordered some hair from Asteria Hair. Lately I've been getting into these U-part wigs. I mean, they just been so convenient, especially since I went natural. It's been such a convenience to just put it on and take it off. So I wanted to share, I bought a B-part wig. Now I never tried a B-part wig. Right now I have on a U-part wig. You can check out my previous video on how I installed this U-part wig. Yes, come with some lashes, 3D lashes, okay, and a wig cap. And also it came with a band, you know, one of those bands that you laying there, laces with, or edges, however you want to. I don't do laces. Mind you, I never try to be part, but we're gonna try it today. We're gonna see, and I'm gonna style it. Check it out. So I ordered a 16-inch, but this looked longer than the 16-inch, honey, but whatever, I'm living for it. I'm already covered. Okay, it's soft, y'all. Look at this, it's soft. And I'm running my fingers through it, and I don't see any shedding. Like, I'm looking out on the floor to see if I see shedding. I don't see any shedding. But it's so soft, look. It's real soft. I'm liking it already, okay. So, yeah, stay tuned to see how I install this V-part wig from Asteria Hair.
I got loyalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, though, ambition, flow inside my DNA. I was born like this, and born like this, immaculate conception. I transform like this, perform like this, wish out you a new weapon. I don't contemplate, I meditate, then off your fucking head. This that put the kids to bed. This that I got realness, I just feel shit cause it's in my DNA. I got millions, I got riches building in my DNA. I got dark, I got evil that rot inside my DNA. I got off, I got trouble, some heart inside my DNA. I just win again, then win again, like Wimbledon I serve. Yeah, that's him again, the sound, the engine, then it's like a bird. You see fireworks and Corvette tires skirt the boulevard. I know how you work, I know just who you are. See, use it. DNA. I got Onyxes, born on side of jellyfish I gauge. See my pedigree, most definitely don't tolerate the front. Shit I been through probably offend you, this is Paula's oldest son. I know murder, conviction, burners, boosters, burglars, Paula's dead. Redemption, scholars, fathers dead. What is he? I wish. I got loyalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, though, ambition, flow inside my DNA. I was born like this, and born like this, immaculate conception. I transform like this, perform like this, wish out you a new weapon. I don't contemplate, I meditate, then off your fucking.
I'm feeling this. What y'all think? I'm gonna style it some more, you know, probably put some curls in it. But right now, I have to get to work. So this is the best I can do for right now. But y'all, okay. I get it. Right now it's a 10-10, child. I got a whole sew in. I like the V part because very minimum hair out. Yes, what y'all think? Yes. Don't do me. This is how you be when you get your hair done. Don't do me. I like this, y'all. Y'all better go get y'all one of these. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. So, yeah.